traders looking at the US30, look where this is pulled back into. This is a seriously big support level. We've got sell stops resting under here, sell side liquidity prior to this rally. This is attacked liquidity under here, and I'm thinking that it holds here, and we see, possibly we see it retrace. Let's have a look at it on the daily. Yeah, I'm looking for a buy opportunity at the moment, guys. Look at this price action. See what we've traded down into. We've smashed through these lows, taken out these stops under here, and now it's starting to find support. Go down to the 4H. Look at this price action here, ranging price action. Guys, I'm long the US30, and I think this trades back Friday. We could see it turn over here, possibly today or even into Monday. What have we got? We've got, okay, we've got these levels under here. That's another key level specifically, so there. Let's just take that out, and we'll just mark this up a little bit more precisely. Well, yeah, I mean, we've got stops under here. I'm just looking at under these candle bodies. So that's what we're trading into at the moment. And then we've got this level down in here, and what else have we got? We look left. Well, I mean, this is just seriously big support, guys. Look at this. All right, now if you want to look at this from a point of where is there the path of least resistance, it's definitely in this direction. This is, call it resistance if you like. I mean, it's hit support. Okay, just getting into semantics here. All right, so we've hit this big level. Now it could possibly roll over a little bit more and wiggle around, but that is definitely what I'm interested in. So with that in mind, yeah, I mean, look at this. We've got this thin candle, and I mentioned this before in one of my previous videos. I just call that an imbalance. You want to look for opportunities where you're trading into a gap where there's thin liquidity, and that's through here. And you want to avoid trading into support or resistance, right? So you've got big liquidity under here. So I would avoid trading into this, and I'm looking for the, I mean, look, this would have been the opportunity up in here, right? So we get this stop run, but see these lows, like shorting that, the break of these lows here is, where you get involved with that. Go down to a 15-minute or a 5-minute time frame and look for price action to shape up and give you the opportunity to get involved, right? But at this level here, we're looking at trading through this gap. We've got support here, so see what happens. It reacts off this level, right? So, I mean, it's just common sense. So it's just blasted through this, and it's hit this down into here. It's a no-brainer for me that the path of least resistance is definitely north. So how am I going to get involved with that? Well, it's simple. Go down to a 15-minute time frame. This is a really simple strategy. Now look at this price action. Now, let me just take that out. All right. I'm always looking for the range. It's ranging. We've got it, right? There's your range. And the thing that you want to watch out for will be this specifically. Price to do whatever it does, it wiggles around. So we've got this balance area, but I want to see a bit of a fakey shaky. In other words, it trades up above the range here, and it traps long traders in, and then they hit liquidity. See, it's had a bit of a spike down in here, but we do have relative equal lows to a degree, and a bit of a spike down. Yeah, I mean, that might be it. I don't know, but just let it range. And look, if we get another spike under, that would be awesome. Then my entry point is definitely going to be the break and retest of this. Fake out. It draws short traders in. There's more liquidity building with stops when they do that. and then they hit those stops. So that's the kind of thing I'm talking about. In any case, the break, retest, and fail of this range is going to get me in long. But be careful, because the break could do that and take you out, okay? So yeah, you just want to watch out. And I mean, easily, the easy way to kind of get involved is just wait for this to start trending north on a 15-minute time frame, and you want to see, you know, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low. You know, you want to see the trend actually kick in with higher highs and higher lows. At the moment, we've just got it ranging here at the moment, okay? So it's very, very simple. And I mean, that's it. And you know, you want to wait and watch this base set up, and you want to see the volatility above and below, and then the break, retest, and fail of the range, and then that's your buy. Targets, well, I mean, the thing with this would be, and I've mentioned this in previous videos, well, there's a target, right? But once it's trending, now here's something to wrap your head around. Once it's trending, let's just set up a trend here. All right. And then at some stage, right, it breaks. We get a break of structure. While this is trending, we're going to buy long position, stop loss under the previous low. So while it's trending, these swing points, swing high, swing low that I'm talking about, swing low, okay, stop loss under the previous low. Again, entry point on the retrace, stop loss under the previous low. And we follow this all the way through. Can keep going, you can build your position, add to your position, whatever you want to do, stop loss under the previous low. And even if you did that here, all right, here's the idea. Stop loss under the previous low. Okay, so this one gets taken out and we have a not such a happy smiley face. But, you know, if you trade this well, you're going to have a fantastic time most of the time. And these are just going to be the cost of doing business. That's just part of the, it's part of the deal, guys. That's what happens, right? But yeah, trend continuation. That's my strategy. Wait for that. And what else can I say? I think that pretty well sums it up. I'd love to hear your comments. So definitely say something in the comments below. Always interested in other people's ideas and thoughts. And yeah, with that, I hope you have a fantastic day. Let's undo some of that. Safe trading, and see you in the next video. Okay.